Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review this multifunctional electric steam brewer by Buydeem. First of all, check out how aesthetically gorgeous this brewer is. It can brew coffee or tea, whatever works for you, and it just looks so very gorgeous. It screams, hey, I am a high quality product. So this Buydeem multifunctional electric steam brewer is good taste for life. Buydeem is a leading next generation small domestic appliance and kitchenware brand from Asia. This multifunctional electric steam brewer features an automatic steam brewing technology, have a tea water separation, it have a keep warm function, and way more. It's elevating the tea and coffee experience to completely another level. I personally love it. For me personally, it worked great, and I'm sure it's gonna work amazing for you as well. It comes with this base, and here on the base you can actually pretty fully control it all here. And well guys, let me tell you more about this one. Well, let's get started with the detailed and full review. So here you go, let's get started with the detailed review. So this is a Buydeem multifunctional electric steam brewer, which goes for tea or coffee, as well as just to boil water if you feel like it. And this one comes with a large capacity of 1.5 liters, which is great because you can make a large amount of tea or coffee for an entire day and keep on using it. This Buydeem multifunctional electric steam brewer features an automatic steam brewing technology, which this is the newest and highest technology currently on the market to provide the fresh and the best tasting tea and coffee out there. It is actually using this brewing technology, which is gonna give and create the richest possible taste of your brewings, and it is taking the best from the tea and coffee that you're gonna use. It is have a 6 different levels of flavor, has a tea water clear separation, have the keep warm function, and more. I'm gonna tell you about each one of these functions in detail, so stay tuned. You can elevate your tea and your coffee experience with this tea and coffee brewer by Buydeem, and I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. So first of all, this looks absolutely gorgeous. It's such an aesthetic, gorgeous design. I love the color. It looks like luxury, you know what I mean? Truly beautiful design. It also has 4 temperature settings. It's easy to operate this one. It's user friendly. It's very understandable how to use this one. And it also has the auto keep warm functions. So the steam brewer designed in a specific way, which actually enhances the flavor as the steam ascends from the base of the extraction basket. It is actually mingles with the tea and creating a 360 degrees of a spray and drips into the kettle, which makes it go all around the kettle. So it goes up and then it comes down as it's brewing. As a result, it is creating more flavorful, richer, and purer tea with any brand of the tea out there. So why even you should bother yourself and use a brewer for your tea? So first of all, loose leaf tea is better quality than the tea bag tea. We all wanna use at the max possibility all the vitamins, minerals, flavors, and aromas from the tea that we can. So loose leaf tea allows you to do that. This is why you should brew your loose leaf tea and not use the bags tea. So the bags tea is basically gives you the taste and it barely has any type of vitamins or minerals in the tea, while loose leaf tea that you can brew, and this is why you do need a brewer to do that, just to get the max and the best out of your tea. So when you steep loose leaf tea, when you brew your loose leaf tea, it has room for tea leaves just to be able to absorb all the water and to expand as they infuse. This allows the water to flow through the leaves and extract a wide range of vitamins and minerals for your health. This Buydeem brewer has 6 different levels of flavor. You can choose anywhere between light to extra bold via using the knob on the panel. So it has light, mild, medium, strong, bold, and extra bold tastes and flavors. The 6 levels change. It's absolutely great, and I love this ability because you can ranging from light to bold, and it's providing a broader flavor range. So you can choose the right strength to your personal preference and taste. This is perfect for any type of tea lovers who enjoy a variety of taste, as well as you can play with the taste of your coffee and tea, so you can make it anywhere between the 6 levels of flavor, and you can choose which one you prefer better. Or maybe one day you have a mood for a strong one, and another day you have a mood for a light, flavor. Whatever works for you, you can absolutely choose between these two. Then it came with 4 temp settings. So you have 4 buttons on the base of this brewer, and you can select from 4 different temperature settings for rapidly heating the water to 175 or 185 or 200 or 212 degrees by Fahrenheit. It's easy to choose between the temperatures because you have all the 4 buttons on the base of this brewer, and it's just understandable and very friendly design of the knobs and of the buttons. It is designed as the brewer has a separation from the water, so it is actually has the tea water separation, which prevents a prolonged soaking, and that to avoid any type of bitterness in the flavor of your tea. Then it can keep warm for 8 hours if you will long press the button on the base of this brewer, which says the 212 Fahrenheit degrees for 2 seconds long, and then you will press the start button. It is gonna keep warm the brewer for 8 hours at a temperature of 158 degrees by Fahrenheit. You have different function types, so you can brew tea or coffee, and so this is how you are using the brewer. First of all, you need to add water, of course. Then you need to pour whatever you want to brew, coffee or tea. You need to cover the brewer, close the lid tightly, be sure it is closed really well, and then you should choose the concentration of the brew, and you should start the brewing with the press of the start button. And then you're very welcome to enjoy your tea or coffee at the correct temperature and at the flavor that you like. The brewer is automatically gonna keep warm your creation for 2 hours after every type of brewing is completed, and it depends what you are brewing. So if you are boiling in any one of the 4 temperatures are available, it is gonna automatically keep it warm on this very specific temperature for 2 hours. If you are gonna use the manual keep warm, it's gonna keep it warm for 8 hours at the temperature of 158 degrees by Fahrenheit. This brewer made of safe materials only, made of stainless steel plate, BPA-free plastic from a food grade 304 stainless steel, as well as food grade BPA-free silicone materials. The glass of the brewer made of a German shot type of glass, and the temperature controller, the base of the brewer is made of the British Strix temperature controller elements. This brewer is so very easy to clean. The base as well as the brewer itself, it is all made of a single layer extraction basket, and you can easier taking out and clean it. It is waterproof, so the base itself of the brewer, the panel, it's all waterproof, and you can touch this panel with your wet hands freely. All that to ensure safety of the user and the convenience of the device. The brewer also has a satin-less steel filter, which is built on the cover, so whenever you are pouring your drinks, all the parts of the drinks are gonna stay inside the brewer while you're gonna get the water only. So all the strains, tea leaf residues, and coffee grounds for poor taste are gonna stay inside, and you are gonna get just a clean water to drink with no any type of interruptions. And well guys, just so you know, the Buydeem, they are having a few different models of tea makers, of coffee brewers, of tea and coffee brewers on their website, so you are very welcome to check them all out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments to this video of mine, as well as let me know how you prefer it, like tea, coffee, what level of brewing, do you like it strong, do you like it weak, what type of coffee do you like, what type of tea do you like? Well, let me know, I'm really curious to know. Well guys, be so very sure to check Buydeem out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discounts, and so very on. All the type of information of the possibility to save some money of yours gonna be down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as I'm gonna pin it all at the comment section to be the very first comment, so it will be easier for you to navigate and to find it all down there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I am absolutely in love with this brewer. I love the gorgeous tea it creates. I love the coffee it's brewing, and I love my coffee to be strong, like the strongest as possible. I am absolutely love this one. I use this one every single day. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and be so very sure to check Buydeem out. Let me move. Bloopers.